Case 1. Herbalife Side Hustle. How much do you actually make?
The courtroom opened with a tense atmosphere as a father explained his financial struggles. He worked as a manager at an urban clothing store, earning only $35,000 a year while supporting 2 sons. Despite his efforts, he was overwhelmed by child support payments to his ex-wife.
$1,000 a year, and I just need a little help because she's not doing child support at all, and it's a struggle for me right now. I'm a retired U.S. veteran, and it's just a struggle with my two boys.
Okay.
The father revealed that his ex-wife, a dental assistant with the Herbalife side business, earned over $150,000 annually. Yet, she hadn't contributed a single dollar in child support, leaving him to cover all expenses alone.
That's not true, Your Honor. I'm always home with my boys when I'm not working.
Okay, who is paying child support in this case?
And I have custody of my boys.
He's paying child support. It looks like you guys split custody. So it says Sunday through 1 week with one parent, and then Sunday.
Well, here's the thing, Your Honor. She's always on vacation. She's always gone. So I've had my boys for the little over 7 weeks straight. She has not seen her kids in 7 weeks.
Sir, when I address her, you stop talking.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you see this man right here? He will make sure that you are escorted out of this courtroom.
He further explained that his ex-wife often traveled for work and vacations, leaving the children with him for 7 consecutive weeks. The judge took note, emphasizing that extended care increases living costs for the custodial parent.
Wait a minute, you guys are supposed to be alternating weeks, because if the children are with him 7 weeks straight, that means his expenses are increasing. And based on the paperwork that you provided from your employer, it says here you make about $125,000 as, what is it, where is it that you're working?
I work for a dental firm.
Okay.
And we make a lot of different castings and models for false teeth and implants. However, Your Honor, when I've been out, it's because I've been doing training.
Okay, that's great. So no one is disputing whether or not you're doing training, but according to the documents that you provided, you make about $125,000 at your main job, and then an additional $25,000 doing Herbalife on the side. So that amounts to about $150,000 a year. This man only makes $35,000, and you think he should still be paying child support, and he has the children more than you? Is that what you're asking me to do?
I'm just letting you know that.
I don't need to know what you're letting me know. I need for you to answer my question. Is that what you're asking me to do? Allow this man to keep paying child support, and you're making excuse me, that's my job, thanks. You make $150,000 a year.
When questioned, the mother defended herself by saying her absences were due to training programs for her job. But the judge pointed out that regardless of training, the financial responsibility for their children must remain balanced.
Okay, that's beside the point here. Ma'am, you guys have a split custody arrangement. You understand that, right?
Yes, I do.
Not in all cases does somebody have to pay child support, because it's up to me to decide if someone pays child support or someone doesn't pay child support. But with the earning differences, $35,000 a year, $150,000 a year, sir, what type of things are you able to afford to do with your boys, and taking into account your bills and everything like that?
After bills and everything is taken care of, after my boys are fed, luckily give them some clothes that they need to go outside and play at the park. Maybe Six Flags every now and again.
Okay, ma'am, what are some of the things that you're able to do with the boys?
After reviewing income documents, the judge confirmed the woman's annual earnings of $150,000, compared to the father's $35,000. With such a large gap, the judge ruled that fairness required an adjustment.
If she gets them, they're going somewhere special and fancy and whoa.
Well, I mean, it would make sense if you were making $150,000
And she just lucked up
right?
on the job, Your Honor, so just to be
And this
quite
is
honest.
considering he's living in my $350,000 house that he doesn't pay any type of mortgage at all whatsoever.
You have a $350,000, ma'am.
He lives in the $350,000.
He lives in it, but you own it, right? You own it. You
And
have
he
all
doesn't
of
pay
this
any
money. You
bills.
have all of the, but the kids have been with him for 7 weeks, ma'am.
Because
at a
I
time.
was doing training so I can continue to send them to the private schools that they attend
Well,
and
On
have
a
the best
scholarship.
and the finest
On a
things.
scholarship.
That's great. But you know what? You know what? That's why you come to court, so I can resolve these issues, right? So let me tell you what we're about to do. $150,000 a year.
The court ordered the mother to pay $1,456 per month in child support. The judge reminded her that child support isn't punishment. It's about ensuring both homes provide similar opportunities for the children.
And
I do take care of my sister's 3 children as well.
When did this start?
Wait.
6 months ago. 6 months ago.
Whose children are these?
Our sons belong to him and I, but I have 3
Okay.
of my sister's children that I
I'm
take
just
care
saying,
of.
I'm just
Then,
saying
well, let
this,
me let you know how this goes, okay? Anybody else's kids are not a part of this case. Understood? So you have 2 children that are involved in this case. We're here.
The next case began with a new father who accused his child's mother of hiding money. He learned from their 12-year-old that she had withdrawn $30,000 from a life insurance policy and was spending it on luxury purses.
Have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Because you're giving me this look like you're confused on what's going on here. Okay, so based on this, I did an offset of what you would make and what your child support obligation should be a month. So your child support obligation comes out to...
When confronted, the woman initially denied the claim but soon admitted she had taken the money out. She said it was kept safe in her account, but the judge pressed further to uncover the truth.
Ma'am, it's not fair to your children that at dad's house they're not able to do as much as they are to do with you. And it's not to punish you for having a great job. That's awesome. However, when you think about what's in the best interest of these children, they can't go to Disneyland and do all of that with dad. Did you ever stop to make it, ask your kids how they feel about that? It's not fair they get to do everything with you and not with dad. And he only makes $35,000 a year.
Your Honor, I understand, but when I was out getting education, he decided to run around and chase everything that had legs.
This has
Okay, well,
nothing
you
to do
know
with
what?
nothing.
You know what? You guys need to be in a different court for that. That has nothing to do with me. Anything else pertaining to these children and the money's here.
No,
Anything
Your Honor.
else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else from you?
No,
Okay,
Your Honor.
thank you. You all may be excused.
It turned out she had spent a large portion on designer handbags, including Michael Kors purses, rather than using the funds for her child's needs. The courtroom fell silent as the judge called her out for poor judgment.
She had more money.
The child told me.
What? You asked the child or the child told you?
Oh, the child told me. Came back from visiting with her and is like, Mama has more money.
Where did he say this money came from?
He didn't tell me. He kind of only heard little bits. I think it's from the life insurance policy that she has, and only way I
He's
think
lying.
of that is
He's
that she
lying.
got a loan. Oh,
Ma'am,
He's lying.
ma'am, when I get to you, you'll have your opportunity to speak, okay? So, the child said life insurance?
yeah, they said something about like life, so I'm guessing it's a life insurance policy, and only way to really do something with that.
When
is
did he
to-
tell you this?
Wait. Hold on one second, sir.
Yes,
Let me let you know how this goes, okay? I do all the question asking. You address me. Do not address.
The judge calculated her total income, combining her $60,000 annual salary as an interior designer with the $30,000 withdrawal. Based on her earnings, she was ordered to pay $1,215.97 per month in child support.
Yes.
Purses. What kind of like the one she has on the table there?
I don't know purses, so I can't say. I just know that he said Mama's got new purses.
Oh, okay. So, Mama, tell me about these purses.
What? I'm an interior designer, so I have to make sure that I match with everything I wear.
Okay, and you have to make sure that you have the money to buy that, right?
Well, I go bargain shopping.
Okay.
There's a lot of good purses out there, but I go shopping for my son too, so, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's
So
saying.
you're saying that your son didn't tell him that you took money out of a life insurance policy?
No.
Well, let me ask you
I don't
this.
think so.
Did you take money out of a life insurance policy? It's a yes
maybe?
or no. It's not an
Yes, I
Okay,
did.
so he was not lying then. You called him a liar. He's not lying about that. You took money out. How much did you take out?
$30,000.
$30,000 out of a life insurance policy to buy purses? What kind of purses are you buying?
A lot of purses.
Like what? What kind of bag is that?
The judge emphasized that luxury purchases could never justify neglecting a child's expenses. Financial responsibility, not personal indulgence, is the true mark of a good parent.
I'm not making
That was not my question. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
$60,000.
$60,000. So you took out a loan against a life insurance policy for $30,000. That's half of what you make as an interior designer. And you did it to buy bags. You didn't do it to spend on this child. Who does the child live with?
Him.
Child lives with him. And has she given?
In the final case, a mother brought her ex-partner to court over a birthday party bill. She had organized a grand celebration for their 8-year-old daughter, renting an ice rink and hiring Olympic skater Tara Lipinski to perform. The total cost came to $1,500, and when the father refused to split it, she filed for child support. He countered, saying the event was extravagant and unnecessary for a child that young.
It's in my account somewhere.
So, don't play with me. In your account somewhere. In like a bank account sitting. You're not doing anything with it.
It's somewhere safe where he don't need to be touching it.
You know what? Well, he's definitely getting ready to touch it because I'm getting ready to do these numbers. The $60,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,800. Your net for that is $3,935.18. Then on that $30,000 that you have in a safe place, the gross is $2,500. I have your net, let me make sure this is right, $2,144.63. Total net of $6,079.81. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
About 120.
120, okay. Is that for you and the child or for?
The judge sided with the father, stating that such lavish spending was unreasonable and not grounds for child support. The court noted that shared custody means shared responsibility, not compensation for personal spending choices. In closing, the judge reminded both parents that raising a child is about balance, not competition. Extravagance, neglect, or hidden money only hurt the children, and the court's goal is always their best interest.
Okay, Ms. Jackson?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court.
I did.
Okay, what's going on?
So James and I split about a couple of years ago, and it's been pretty good. We've been splitting costs for our girl, but her last birthday she was 8 years old, and we had a great party. I planned it. It's been a lot of time, and it was about $1,500.
How, 8 years old?
Yes. Well, okay. She really likes ice skating, so we rented out the ice skating rink, and then Tara Lipinski came and did a little routine for the girls. It was a lot of fun. But anyways, it did cost something, and James just refused to pay it.
Whose idea was it? Wait. How much was the birthday party?
But $1,500.
Whose idea was it to have that expensive birthday party?
Tyranny brought up the whole inspiration for it.